Welcome back to our channel. Welcome. So today I'm just going to show you my personal profile, and we're just going to discuss on how to increase the view of an recruiter for your profile. So as I told, for each day you will be getting a view. Your profile will be getting a view of more than 10 recruiters. Okay. So this is my personal profile, and okay. You can see 1455 searches appears, 75 recruiter actions. Okay, so you can get a search appearance. So we can analyze how many recruiters has been viewed your profile by using search appearance, and you can see this. Okay, this is June 20, 2021. Okay, see 26. This week result is showing. So June 20 maybe Sunday. That's why zero. If I'm not wrong, yeah, it is Sunday. Okay, so that's why zero searches. So Monday 23, 17 searches I appeared, or this profile has been appeared. 33 searches on next day, and 15 and 50 on 25th, that is Friday. So how to make this possible, that is I'm just going to discuss. As we discussed in our last session, we will be discussing on how to create a profile. So the adding a skill is one of the major thing, or the one of the important thing, that is which skills you are excellent, that should be marked as highlight. And the introduction is also one of the important thing. Like as I told, if you are an excellent in education and less experience, you should highlight the education first. If you are excellent in work experience and less experience or less educated, means you can highlight the experience. Okay, so the company which require a best experience will recruit you. Even for the company, some customers require those employees should have this much of education, will prefer with the highly educated one. Okay, that is the thing, and I will prefer, or I will give you few tips to get this result. Like to get a profile view, or many recruiters will view the profile each day. Usually this is a common thing. Like usually what recruiters will do is, commonly for each day they will go to their recruitment profile or recruiter profile, and they will be searching for their recruitment. Like if they recruit a guy with Windows skills, they will be searching for, with this experience, one guy with Windows skill is needed. So recently updated profiles will appear first, and that profile usually mentioned as that employee is open to work and they are searching for some jobs. So if your profile is not updated for more than 1 month, mostly you will not get any calls or anything. Okay, so this is that is a one simple trick, and I will show you one more thing. Like this is a 138 search in last 7 days. We can have a look for 3 months. It is more than 400 in March April month, and April May 412 views, and 598 in May. So this shows how to increase the profile performance. Okay, so the simple thing over here is like okay, I'm a virtualization engineer working in an MNC. So I added my skills, and as I updated in my last session, could I best view to my profile with a excellent heading. So that's why maybe I'm getting a good reach, and I'm frequently, if I needed a job, I'm getting good calls from many recruiters in top MNCs. So these are some my simple tricks. Okay, I just forgot to tell you one more thing, and the last and main thing you guys need to focus is, like, each day, every day you wake up, update your Naukri profile. You need to click on any of your profile, go to my profile. Okay, let me log out from my personal profile, and I will explain the steps you need to follow with the ITSP, I mean our channel profile. Okay, so our profile. Yeah, we had given access. Everything is showing and 50%. Yeah, this is our profile. So how to as this update option, if it is 100% update, the update option will not come. So in that case, you can go to your resume headline, okay, or any of your skill. You remove the existing skill and add the same skill. It is just to get update your profile. Okay, so see, you can go to edit option, you can add something, blah blah blah, save, and success. So this will update your resume to the current date. Even you can see the resume has been updated at this date. Okay, so if you are open up for a work, or if you are looking for a work regularly by 9:30 to 10:30 a.m., you need to update any single word. Like I have added this word and updated. If you want to remove back, yes, you can remove back and save it again. So your profile will be same as it is, but it is updated. So updation is the one of the important thing needed to get a good view from the recruiters. So that is one of my tips with an Naukri profile. In this, this is the one of the important thing that you need to focus is update your profile regularly. And just signing off. So thanks for watching.